Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites quickly. Node, a React scaffold, and VS Code with the Debugger extension installed. Once done, enable source maps in your build config so the debugger maps compiled code back to your JSX. Make sure the dev server runs with npm start or yarn start and that you can open the app in the browser. Then create a vscode/launch JSON and choose a Chrome or Edge attach/launch configuration so you can connect the editor to the running app. Next, configure launch JSON to either launch Chrome with a specific URL or attach to an existing instance. Include web root pointing to your workspace and enable source map path overrides if needed. Once configured, place breakpoints directly in your JSX or component files. React code maps correctly when source maps are right. Use conditional breakpoints for noisy loops and step through code using step into over and out. Meanwhile, keep the debug console and React developer tools open to inspect props, state, and component. Finally, expand to testing and performance. Add a node debug configuration to run just tests under the debugger and use the React profiler or CPU snapshots for performance bottlenecks. Once you've reproduced the bug and inspected call stacks and component state, apply fixes and rerun tests. If your breakpoints are not hit, check that source maps are generated, confirm web root and path mappings in launch JSON, and ensure the running bundle matches your workspace files. This fixes most attach and mapping issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.